Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Thank you for everything you do in our life, for directing us the right way, for being a great mom in our life. We continue to thank you and appreciate you. With this, continue to say happy birthday and wish you long life and prosperity.
We would also like to say a big thank you to Mom for everything that she's done, for being a wonderful inspiration, a great mentor, a great mother, a great friend, someone who we can confide in, someone who teaches us the things of life, someone who directs us in the way of God. And for this, we just like to say thank you, Mom. Happy birthday, and we love you very much.
So invite every one of you. Anytime my children, anytime my husband, anytime my son's wife. Let me tell you, I'm a tough pastor because I live life of holiness. Holiness is the watchword. I want to say, I just want to imagine. Let that be a good thing. Thank you very much. Come on, say I'm sick. Come on, you're sick. I'm here. I
also want to use this opportunity to say thank you to everyone that supported us for Yajire's birthday, CNS, everyone. We say thank you, we appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you, everybody.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.